Hello, Vulkee Arts here. So I'm going to tell a brief dream that I had a while back. I dreamed that I was in the basement doing my homeworks. I was in a home that used to be a school, and I bought it, so it's pretty big. And one of my son was in there with me, sleeping by the wall. And once I was done working, I turned off the lights, picked up my son, and I was gonna go upstairs. And then I saw a lady come down the stair, basement stair, striped shirt, red and black. So I asked her, "How can I help you?" And she just says, "I'm okay." And then she went upstairs again. So then I realized the basement the basement was too dark without lights. So I turned back the lights, went upstairs, put my son to sleep. Then went to sleep with my wife in the bedroom. And funny thing is, in the morning, in real reality, she don't work that day. But in the dream, I had a dream. But by going back to the dream, my wife got up to go to work. And when she went out the room, I heard my brother say, "Hey, your wife is going to work." But in my mind, I'm thinking to myself, wait a minute, I'm confused. In real reality, she's not working that day, but in the dream, it tells me that she's working. So I had that conflict. But my main thought was that she's not working. So something is tricking me. And it's probably that lady, Ghost. So then when my wife went to work in the dream, after my brother said she went to work, my wife came back and sat next to me on the bed to my left. I was sleeping my back facing up the ceiling. So I wanted to test out that lady sitting next to me, right? So I went and tapped her on the shoulder down, and she got up quickly and turned around. And I realized it was that lady in black and white striped shirt that went down the stair, came down the stair to the basement a while ago. Well, yeah, at the beginning of the dream. So then she stepped back and then transformed into a little ghost girl. And I pointed out exactly like this to her and say, "Hey, you can't trick me, you're not my wife." And then I woke up. And when I woke up, I looked at the end of my bed, and she was gone. Or she was not there. But then in real reality, I heard the blanket pulling on my right. And that freaked me out because for a second, my mind tricked me that, hey, your wife went to work. But then who is pulling my blanket? So I got really scared. I'm thinking, oh shoot, this is my first paranormal activity. But now I want to find out what it was. So I looked to my right, and turns out my wife was sleeping there. And then my mind finally caught up and said, "Hey, it's only a dream. Your wife didn't work." I mean, yeah, she don't have work. That's why she's still sleeping there. So yeah, so that was, yeah, it was a weird dream. But anyway, I think in this world there's things that we don't know, and dreams mean something. They're telling you something, and it's like a parallel universe or dimension or something. I don't know, but yeah, I'll leave it up to you. Share some of your stories on my channel here if you like, and once in a while if I have time I might animate or do some animatic on it, and or draw some drawings that relates to your dream and post it up. Alright guys, have a good one and happy early Halloween.